Hello, what's going on? Alexandra here, creator and founder of the Stress to Wealth lifestyle. In this video, I will be sharing with you how you can start making some money with the one and only Google. Just stay tuned. If it's your first time on this channel, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my training whenever I post it, so you can be the first one to be notified whenever I upload a video on this channel. And if it's your first time seeing me as well, the name, as you can see, is Alexandra, and my passion is to help ordinary people just like yourself become bosses and switch you from stress to wealth. I provide with great opportunity that can start helping you making some money daily and also increase your cash flow every single day. Alright, let's get started. To be able to use this strategy, I'm gonna be teaching you. This strategy was taught to me by one of my mentors, so because I like to give credit when it's due. I did not come on with that on my own. He taught me that strategy, and I will be sharing with you as well. To be able to do this strategy is not something difficult, I can say, but you have to basically use common sense to actually make it work for you and your business. You will need, yes, to have Google, and I use Chrome. You can use Safari or you can use Firefox, whichever one you're gonna need to use to do this strategy. And you will also need like a I can say a website builder to help you with this strategy, because what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna be using Google to list their business for them on Google and have them pay you to do it. And you will also use that strategy as well if they're the kind of person, that kind of business that maybe need like a website build up. You can also become their I can say their marketing manager and everything. It all depends. When you use that strategy, it will give you the power to see exactly what that business need and be someone that can solve that problem for them. And you might be wondering, what is this I'm showing you? I use Builder. That's an all-in-one marketing system that I'm using. It's like a capture page builder. It's a website builder. It got an autoresponder. You can also build app with it. It's a webinar builder. You can build a lot of stuff with that system. And if you're looking for more information to know exactly what it is, to see if it's a great fit for you, which I already know that it is, with this system, like if you are familiar with ClickFunnels, that's kind of like, really similar, but like, more affordable. And if you need more information, I'll link a video down in the description below to give you like a review, so you can see exactly what it is, and also so you can get started, so you can start using the strategy as well. Okay, we're gonna go to Google. That's what I'm gonna teach you how to do. When you go to Google, you're gonna be using it to find out businesses in your area that are looking for your services. That strategy is perfect for social media managers or freelancers or anybody that's looking to start making online with what they know. Me, I'm like, when I was testing out, for example, let's say you have like, let's say dentist in your area, right? For example, you put dentist near me, you click on it, and it's gonna give a listing of businesses on you that's listed on Google. What you're gonna be doing with that strategy, what you already know, like the one on top, like, they might already have a website and everything. They might be already built up. So what you're gonna be doing, you're gonna go through the list and see like which one maybe don't have a website. So that's when the strategy come in. You see which one don't have a website, and you'll be like, contacting them and offering your services to see, like, if, like, you can start offering what got for themselves. So most of the top one already got a website. You just keep going down and see which ones don't have a website, and you will be contacting them to offer what you got. For example, Dr. Denise, for example, they have a website. What you're gonna do, you're gonna click on on her stuff, see all the information, like information is there. You can call the office, want to speak to her. If you're the type of person that know about SEO, or and you know about like listing business on Google, you can also use that strategy. If they have a bit, like, you can go around your neighborhood, see which business out there maybe that's not listed on Google. You can also offer your service. You can use that same strategy to help them list themselves on Google as well. And to list on Google is not that difficult. You're just gonna google.com/business, and it will give you like basically like a form to fill out. You will fill out the name of the business, what type of business it is, and all the information, and they will send you a paper in the mail to verify the address. Once you do that, it will confirm that you are actually, your address is okay, like it's valid, and then your business will be listed on Google. You can use that strategy to do that as well. But like right now, we're just using that strategy online. We're just looking for businesses that can benefit from what we know. That business is missing a website. We can offer them a website and everything. And you might be wondering as well, but I don't know how to create a website, so how I'm supposed to offer that type of service if I don't even know how to do it? That's where Builder will come in. And because with that platform, you don't need to know how to build a website, because all the templates are already built up for you. All you gotta do is just switch them with the pictures and the information that people provided to you. For example, since it was like a dentist business that we just looked up, you can, like, on the filter right here, you can type dentist, right? When you type dentist, and it will give you all the templates for dentists. And what you can do when you contact them, if they have if some businesses already, I got an email that you can email them your, like, your services, ask them, like, give them like a quick quote. So you give them a quick quote, and then you contact them, and you decide which one is best for you. You see all those templates like related to dentists. What you can do is just, like, if they have a logo, or even if they don't have a logo, you can just, like, you have basically 8 different templates. Let's say, like, you can edit about, like, 3 of them that you really like, and then you edit them. If they have the logo, you can maybe copy their logo, put it on it, kind of show them how it's gonna look like a little bit if they actually purchase that website from you. Make them fall in love with the website even before they have it. Before they have it, like, you're just gonna send them a copy, but you can have, like, a way to have your copywriter on it, like, and tell them once they decide to purchase it, you will take the watermark off, and then the website will be theirs. All right. And you might be wondering as well, okay, once they purchase the website, how you gonna send it to them? That's when you can make an extra income as well with Builder, or because they already know once they get a website, they have to pay the hosting fee. And some companies charge like a lot of money for hosting fee, and with Builder it's not even that much of money. They can pay like $10, or they can get, like, more stuff with their website, and they can pay $30. And some companies charge even more for hosting. All you gotta do is ask them to, like, create a Builder account, so they can, like, just pay every month for the hosting fee, and that will be extra income for you, like residual income for you every month, for you, like every time they pay their fee, even they pay their $10 or they'll pay their $30, like, that's a residual income. Think about it. Let's say you do that, let's say you contact about like 25 to 30 companies a day. Let's say for about 10 of them accept to, like, get the website that you send to them. So for example, let's say they all get the $30 package, so that's like 10 people times $30. That's like an extra $300 you can make every single day. So that's a great income for you. You can make money on both platforms. You can make money with Builder, and you can make, let's say they, like, for the website, they say they pay you $300 for the website, and you got 10 people at $300 for per website. That's the extra $3,000 just by building website, and $300 just for the hosting fees alone. So that's extra income for you both ways. All right. So I hope that was a great video for you. I hope you're gonna test this strategy. If you do and you start getting, when you start getting some result, feel free to come back and give me like a review, tell me how everything is going. And if you like this video, don't forget to give me a like and comment. Tell me, well, like, how you like this strategy, how you're gonna test it out. I would love to hear from you. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of my trainings. And on that note, I won't keep you long. I will see you guys on my next video. Have a good day.